Welcome to this Filmora masterclass. I am Sean Kitching, a full-time travel filmmaker and YouTuber, and in today's video we are going to be covering how you can edit much faster inside of the Filmora editing platform. Out of all of the steps that it takes to curate the perfect piece of content, editing is often the one that is the most time consuming and by far the bottleneck of the content creation process. If we spend the time mastering a few skills and familiarize ourselves with a few key tools, we can speed up our workflow, allowing us to have more time to spend on other aspects of the creative process. So here are a few methods I use in Filmora to edit way faster. The first thing is going to be the AI features that Filmora offers in their software. We can eliminate a lot of the tedious and monotonous tasks by letting Filmora do the work for us with their AI features. So here are a few of my favorites and the ones I find myself using most often. Silence detection allows you to cut out any of the pauses in your videos automatically without having to manually go through it and cut each one of those sections out. You can right-click on the clip and select silence detection to open the window, customize your parameters as well as manually move them to be specific down in the bottom here. Hit export and it will take it back to the timeline so you can continue editing on that project. Next is AI audio stretch to make any music track the perfect length for the video that you're working on. So instead of trying to cut up clips and splice them together, you can just do AI audio stretch and make that clip the exact length that you want it to be. You can just click on this little icon right here, the little music icon, and you can simply drag out your clip to be longer or shorter, and Filmora will figure out exactly how it should extend or shorten that clip by analyzing things like vocals or the bars in the music to ensure that the track still has nice crescendos, beginnings, and endings. If you're editing a talking head video like this one you're watching right now, Filmora can convert your dialogue into text so that you can use text-based editing to speed up that whole process and make sure that the things that you are saying in your video are the ones that you want. So you can use this text to simply delete certain parts or take out parts that you feel are unnecessary right here in the text dialog box, and it's going to change the video on your timeline accordingly. Next up is going to be using keyboard shortcuts. An amazing feature that Filmora allows you to do is have keyboard shortcut presets. So you can switch between different presets. If you are someone that is super familiar with all of the Final Cut presets, for example, instead of spending the time learning new ones, you can use the Final Cut keyboard preset right in Filmora and have all of the keyboard shortcuts set up that way. Likewise for Premiere. You can also create custom keyboard shortcuts within Filmora if any of them don't feel exactly right for how you like to edit. These few things can hugely speed up your workflow, and if you spend the time learning the different ways that Filmora can help you edit a lot faster, you can spend all of that extra time on the other aspects of the creative process. I hope this was helpful. Happy editing.